In-depth coverage of the top stories and breaking news when it happens. News Radio 1080 KRLD.
As teenage migrants begin arriving in Dallas, Governor Abbott also in town to update the situation here in about 40 minutes. Alfredo Lozano is a longtime Texas immigration attorney. I asked him where he believes the border situation is headed if the current issues are not addressed.
Ooh, that's a tough question. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. I don't know where this is heading. We are a creative nation of solutions, a nation of hope, a nation of faith. I think we will come up with a solution. What that solution is, I don't know exactly how it looks like if Congress doesn't do anything about this. However, on the other side, with those that have TPS and those that have DACA, deferred action, and they've lived here many, many years, Congress right now is looking at the current bills to see if they're going to pass. I think that is a very viable solution, and I hope Congress does pass those bills pretty quick.
Last question, because this is not a new issue. We have had various presidents in office dealing with various Congresses tackling this issue. Why have we not been able to resolve this up until now?
I think it's fear. I think it's fear of the unknown, fear of change. 5 years ago, I had a consultation with a gentleman. He had been here 15 years. He came in here, and his first job was working in the U.S. illegally. He came in through the river, doing pavements. And I don't know if you've been out here in South Texas when it's 110 and you're working out there in the streets. It is hot. That was his first job, and 15 years later, he works his way up out of that company, opens up his own company, and he's got a multi-million-dollar company. He is wealthy. He's got more than 50 employees, U.S. citizen, permanent residents, managers working for him. And his question was to me, what can I do to fix my legal situation? And I had to tell them, I'm sorry, right now, there's nothing we can do for you. And he wasn't married to a U.S. citizen. He didn't have U.S. citizen children. So I think it's the fear of the unknown. After 9/11, it has become much more difficult. However, Department of Homeland Security has done a great job. The FBI has done a great job of identifying people that should not be here, and they continue to do that. So I think we do have those systems in place. We have the resources to pass legislation to finally fix our system.
That is Texas immigration attorney Alfredo Lozano. Again, Governor Abbott expected to speak at noon. We will have those comments for you live here on News Radio 1080 and streaming live with video from the Dallas Convention Center. You can find that at KRLD.com.